Today, I'm going to teach you how to display PDF bookmarks in Adobe Acrobat. This is a really useful feature if you want your PDF to automatically open with the Bookmarks panel visible, making navigation much easier for anyone viewing your document. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all your files and settings. Now navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF file where you want to display bookmarks. This will open your document in the main viewing area. Next, look at the upper left toolbar and click on Menu. From the drop-down options that appear, select Document Properties. This is where you can control how your PDF behaves when it's opened, including which panels are visible by default. In the Document Properties window, click on Initial View in the top toolbar. This section is specifically designed to let you customize how your document appears the moment someone opens it. Here you'll see various options for controlling the viewing experience. Now find the drop-down menu beside Navigation tab, click on it, and from the list of options, select Bookmarks panel and Page. This setting tells Adobe Acrobat to automatically display the Bookmarks panel alongside your document whenever it's opened. Once you've made that selection, click OK to confirm your changes. With your settings configured, you'll want to save your work to ensure these changes stick. In the upper left toolbar, click Menu again and select Save. This will preserve all the modifications you've just made to your PDF's display settings. Now, to make sure everything is working correctly, close your recent PDF file completely. This step is important because you need to test whether the Bookmarks panel will actually appear when the document is opened fresh. Once it's closed, open it again. If you followed all the steps correctly, the Bookmarks panel should now appear automatically alongside your document, making navigation significantly more convenient. And that's it. You've successfully configured your PDF to display bookmarks automatically in Adobe Acrobat, creating a more user-friendly experience for anyone who opens your document. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.